we've got the sustainability features, but you could argue that affordability is one of the most sustainable things about the vehicle. Would you agree with that?
I 100% agree with that. In fact, I think this is one of the most important aspects of what R2 represents. And so by bringing the price down meaningfully, it allows us to really go after the breadth of the market. And if you were to look at the average selling price of a new vehicle in the United States, it's just under $50,000. And so this being at a starting price of $45,000 allows us to access so many more households and give them really a beautiful choice in terms of thinking about what the next vehicle purchase is. And I do think lack of choice and lack of options in this price category has created a constraint for how fast the world can electrify. If you want an SUV form factor, if you want something that's highly functional and capable off-road, there's just not something you can choose in this price category. That's EV.